This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. A rare opportunity to have a classic turnkey Sears and Roebuck Craftsman bungalow home. This home has been meticulously renovated by the current owner. Enjoy an inviting restored front porch, living room with gas fireplace, tall ceilings. Kitchen has been replaced with granite countertops, white cabinets and appliances. Exterior cedar shake shingles replaced 2011. Exterior painting and roofing on both house and garage 2021. Many electrical updates 2018. HVAC gas packs and reworked crawlspace ductwork 2018. Tankless hot water heater 2018. Remodeled upstairs bath plus installed first floor full bath. Resided garage 2011. Basement infill and flood mitigation with FEMA approved flood vents 2018. Annual flood insurance policy is $398. Short proximity to naval bases. Old Dominion University, CHKD, EVMS, Sentara Heart Pavillion. For more information, review the details below.